Hi guys, it's Simon Crack from Dead Cool Apps, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a SaaS product, software as a service, with no code, and this is with the Kartra and Chatbase integration. So let's get cracking. Okay guys, super excited to show you this video. Now, ChatGPT tells me I need to grab attention with a bold statement. So I'm going to say, have you ever wanted to create your own SaaS product but felt held back by coding? In this video, I'll show you how to build one easily using Kartra and Chatbase, no coding required. Sounds cool? And if you stick around till the end of the video, I will share something cool. So I just want to show you basically what I've been up to. This idea is low effort, high impact, no technical skills really needed. It's scalable, beginner friendly. It's popular right now. SaaS products, to be able to actually have a SaaS product you can sell is popular. A lot of SaaS apps and whatnot are out there. Go High Level has a SaaS aspect to their business now. So it's not actually on this website, but I think it's like $500, and you can basically rebrand their system as your own, and resell your own software as a service. Another guys that are doing it are autofunnel.ai. They've got a customized plan. Obviously, it's going to be more than $300 to get SaaS mode, and you can obviously then resell whatever SaaS products that they have, funnel builders, podcast creating tools as your own. So it's a cool business plan, cool aspect, and it's something that I wanted to get into. And this is an idea that, like I say, is pretty cheap to start. It's popular right now, and you can really sort of scale it. So I just wanted to introduce myself. So my name's Simon Crack from Dead Cool Apps. We create apps and AI tools to streamline and speed up business, basically. So anything that we can do, we create apps. We created the Knackify app, which is a Shopify app to auto-fulfill CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, and vinyl records to Knacky. So that's a Shopify app we use, we created. And we've also released loads of apps on the App Store in the past. So that's a little bit of background behind me. I've written some notes, so if I keep looking over to the side, because I want to sort of explain everything to you, make sure I cover everything. So I've been exploring ways to turn simple ideas into SaaS products, and this setup with Kartra and Chatbase is one of the most efficient methods I've found. This is just a quick video to gauge interest. If you comment and you like it, I could do a more detailed video. So I've been experimenting with apps and AI, as I'm sure everyone else has been. And the reason I came across Chatbase, well, let's talk about Kartra first. So Kartra is obviously an all-in-one platform for building websites, memberships, landing pages, and I've used those guys for years. This is a website for my Knackify app, which is created in Kartra. Got a book funnel where I sell my print press profit book. That's all through Kartra. It's a funnel. And basically, this is like a book to sort of pre-sell my app, and obviously give information about AI and apps. So I actually shared the idea in this book originally, and I thought I'd actually record a video. So let's get into it. So Kartra is the platform that I use for my memberships and obviously sales funnels and bits and bobs. And then Chatbase is the AI aspect. Now, I don't know if you know about Chatbase, but basically you can integrate a chatbot into your website, which you'll see on here, where I've got it here. And basically, you can then train that chatbot on your website, basically copy and paste your URL into Chatbase, and it will scrape your whole website. And you can obviously add Q&A, PDFs, and everything to the bot. And then once you've trained it up on your website, you just have to copy the code, and you can paste it within your pages on your Kartra site. So as you can see, I've got a Kartra Knackify AI assistant here. And if anyone asks questions, then it can answer them here. So this is really what I sort of how I first found Chatbase. I wanted to do and like have a chatbot, so it actually cut down my customer service, and this actually has cut down my customer service by about 90% because the chatbot is really good and you can train it up. So I'm going to my dashboard. You can see that I've got my Knackify chatbot here, and I'll just show you a quick overview. Basically, you go through all the settings and you can add sources to it. For instance, this is where I can drag PDFs, text files, question and answers. You can also put your website in so it can crawl that. You can add your own Q&As, and then obviously when the potential customers write messages to you, you'll get a transcript that will come through of the chat. You can then go in, actually edit the answers as well if you want to. So this is sort of the main reason I used it. It integrates with ChatGPT basically, so you can adjust settings for it. If you go into chat interface, you can adjust all the colors and you can select the AI. This is ChatGPT, and there are various others on there. So, and then you can add instructions here, and you can tell your bot to act like a friendly sales rep, blah, blah, blah. So that's the beginning of the idea to integrate a chatbot. And then I thought, well, what else could we do with, this AI chatbot? So I created go back to all my bots. So I sell magic tricks, DVDs, CDs, teach magic. And basically I decided to create a magician AI. So what I did is I created a bot and I added all my magic tricks that I knew, added my website, and turned it into like magician AI. So it's like you can ask David Copperfield and it will answer questions. So this was my first sort of idea to adding that as a product. So I created Magic AI. This was my first sort of dip in the water. And basically the idea is that when someone signs up to this is all Kartra, but when someone says, yes, I want to join Magic AI, I add them to the membership, and then within the membership, within a tab is where the actual AI is. So obviously with Kartra and with Chatbase, you can then lock off part of the membership to be the AI aspect that you can then charge monthly for. So that's pretty cool. So this was, like I say, my first sort of test really. And then I thought, when I was releasing this book, I've got a membership attached to it. And then I thought, well, I'll create an AI upsell as well. So I've created a Knackify Pro AI, which is this one here. And basically it's similar to my Knackify chatbot in a way, but I've added so much more content into the Knackify AI Pro. I've uploaded transcripts of all my memberships and added, all sorts of information in the sources that you're basically then training it to be your own chatbot for your business. So if you think, no matter what niche or business you're in, you can add information to this and create your own chatbot, AI assistant, basically. So the idea for this book funnel, which I created with the membership as an upsell, I then decided, let's have another upsell and we'll add an AI aspect. So within my Kartra membership, if someone was to purchase my physical media mastery course, I'll show you what it logs in as. And if they upgrade to Knackify AI Pro, they'll then get access to this tab up here, which they can then click on, read a little bit of information, and then they've actually got the actual bot within the membership. So they've got it to themselves to log in, and then they can actually use it, as and when they want to. So that's the idea of basically adding the chatbot into a locked off membership that you can then charge for on a monthly basis for people to access your bot. I then took this one step further and thought I should build out a whole website for just the AI aspect, which I've have done here. Here. So this is my Knackify AI Pro, create, automate, dominate, the ultimate AI assistant. So this is actually a website I built within Kartra, and it shows off basically the AI. Knackify AI Pro is an AI assistant designed to streamline the creation and selling of physical media products. SEO optimized product listings, crafting high converting ad copy and providing 24/7 assistance and more. So this is the little demo video that I came up with. I got someone on Fiverr to cut that together to make it quite easy. And then obviously this is just a web page that I've designed that's for the AI aspect. I've got videos that showcase each part and all the sales page in there. Give away like a free bonus to my course, all the testimonials. So yeah, I created this website in Kartra as well. And then obviously when they click on the try it for free, the idea is that you can, the options here, we can charge for a monthly and build monthly. I came up with the idea of just charging a one-off fee so someone can use it forever. Obviously, the pricing on Chatbase is pretty good at the minute. You can create a Chatbase for 2 bots. You're looking at about $20 right now. There's a free tier for 1 chatbot. You might get through the character limit, but you can certainly start for free. And pretty sure Kartra have a free trial still going on. So I mean, you can set this up for free and get it launched and start earning some cash. Pretty decent prices at the minute, and it's certainly a lot cheaper than most of these SaaS products out there. If you just sort of cobble together and make your own one. So you get 2 chatbots. So what I've done is I've used 1 chatbot for my website, my business, to actually use it as a chatbot, and then I've used the other chatbot as a product that I can then sell on a monthly basis. So I'll come back to this page. So yeah, I've got lifetime 197, and then I've decided to add in like a, if people want me to make it something similar to this for them, then there's an option in there for me, for SaaS Node for this Knackify AI. So that's the brief overview. I think you sort of get the idea. Basically, to integrate Chatbase into your Kartra membership, you just need to you just want to copy the code that it gives you, and then when you're setting up your membership in Kartra, in the builder section, you literally just drag a custom code box in here, and then just paste the code that you get from Chatbase, and then you'll have your product inside your membership. So that's the idea. I hope you found this useful and beneficial. I think it could be potentially quite a cool idea to be able to create your own SaaS product that you can then charge for on a monthly basis or one-time offer, and send that within a membership, so that if someone purchases it, then they get access to the membership, and then they can get in and use the AI aspect of the product. If you are new to Kartra, or if you haven't used Kartra before and you sign up under my affiliate link, then I'm happy to send you all my assets for this for free. I can just send you the code, and yeah, you can plug in this website and you'll get the membership that you can just overwrite with your own content, and you can add in your own AI bot assistant for your own business. So I hope you found this useful, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.